Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add Arms Industries lead to Google Sheets. So here our objective is that whenever we get new Facebook lead for my Arm Industries, then I want to add these lead details automatically in my Google Sheet. For that, we will create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And this is my Facebook page of my business in arms industry. And it is named as Shield Tech Solution. And to promote this, I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. But I'm unable to manage these leads. Here my objective is, whenever I get new Facebook lead for my Arm Industries business, then I want to add these lead details automatically in my Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet and it is named as Facebook leads, and I have 3 columns here: full name, email and phone number. So these are the details of my lead. Now for my objective, I have to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet. For that, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take me to this landing page of Pabbly. Here I have 2 options: sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. These are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and here I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. For that, I'll click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now we want to create a new workflow. For that, I will click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow, so I'll name it as my objective, which is to add Arms Industries lead to Google Sheets. And I will select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I will select Home here and I will click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have 2 boxes, trigger and action. So these are the 2 main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger will be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select this and I have to give a trigger event. So for that, I will open this tab and new lead instant will be my trigger event. Now I will connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. Now I will click on continue to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now we have 2 details here, page and the lead gen form. Now for this, let's go to Facebook lead ads. And here we have this page and it is named as Shield Tech Solution. And for the lead gen form, I will open this Meta Business Suite. And in this, I'll go to all tools and I will find instant forms. So I'll open this. And here we can see we have this one lead gen form, which is named as lead form. So I'll open this. So this is my form and we have these details here: full name, email, phone number. And this is how my form looks like. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So first I'm going to select my page. So I'll open this tab and here, so this Shield Tech Solution is my page. So I'm going to select this. And in the lead gen form, I will open this tab and lead form is my lead gen form that I want to use. So I'm going to select this. So I have mapped my details here. Now here is an important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here it is waiting for webhook response. Now to get this response, I have to make a sample submission. And for that, I'm going to use Meta for Developer. So I will open Meta for Developer. Here I will go to my apps. Now I will go to Tools. And in Tools, I'm going to scroll down and I will find this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So in this tool, we are going to create a sample submission. We have these details here, page and the form. So again, I'm going to select my Facebook page here. So this Shield Text solution is my page. So I'm going to select this. And this lead form is my form. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to click here on Preview Form button. And I'm going to fill dummy details in my form to create a sample submission. So for that, I'll click here. So this is my form and we have these details here, full name, email and the phone number. So I'm going to fill dummy details here. So my full name will be dummy user and email address will be dummyuser@pabblytunes.com and I will give a random phone number. So this will be my random phone number. So I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit. So I have created this new lead and I have submitted my form. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have this new response. So my full name is dummy user and the email is dummyuser@pabblytunes.com and the phone number is this. Now what I want is, I want to use these lead details and I want to add these lead details automatically in my Google Sheet. So for that, I will set up my action and for that I will open this tab. And here my action application will be Google Sheets. So I'm going to select Google Sheets here. And I have to give an action event. So I will open this tab and add new row will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. I will click on connect to connect Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. I will click on add new connection and I will sign in with Google. I will click on allow to give access to my account. So my connection here is successful. Now I have these details here. So for this, let's go to Google Sheet first. And this is my Google Sheet and it is named as Facebook Leads. And I'm using Sheet 1 here. And we have 3 columns here, full name, email and the phone number. So I'm going to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So first I'm going to select my spreadsheet. So my spreadsheet name is Facebook Leads. So I'm going to select this. And here we can see all the details have changed according to my spreadsheet. Now I have full name, email and the phone number. So I'm going to map these details here and I'm going to use mapping here. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So I'm going to map these details from the Facebook lead ads response that we have in our trigger response. So for mapping, I'll click here. I will open this response and this is my full name. So I'm going to map this first. Similarly, I will map my email and the phone number. I have filled all my details here. So these are the details of the leads that I have generated from Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to add these details automatically in my Google Sheet. So I will click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have the response. So we have added these details automatically in Google Sheet. So to check this, let's go to Google Sheets. And here we can see we have added this new row in our Google Sheet. So the full name is dummy user, email is dummyuser@pabblytunes.com and this is the random phone number. So these are the details of the new lead generated from Facebook lead ads and we have added these details automatically in our Google Sheet. So our integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet is working successfully. Now to check this in real time, let's go back to Meta for Developer. I will delete this lead. And I'm going to preview this form again. And I'm going to fill dummy details here again. So my full name will be new lead, email will be newlead@pabblytunes.com and I will give a random phone number. So this is the details of my new lead. I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit. So I have created this lead again and I have submitted my form. Now we'll go back to my Google Sheet, and here we can see we have automatically added this new row, and the full name is new lead and the email is newlead@pabblytudes.com, and this is the random phone number. So we have added these details automatically in our Google Sheet. So these are the details of the new lead that we have just created in our Facebook lead ads. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we have created this integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet. So whenever we are getting a new leads from Facebook lead ads, then we are capturing those lead details and we are adding those lead details automatically in our Google Sheet. So let's summarize what we did here. So first we have set up our trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action, and my action application was Google Sheets and my action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. Thank you. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.